Hi everybody, welcome back to another benchmark video test. So today we are running a CrystalDisk benchmark info test on the Lenovo S145. So a couple of things that surprised me while I was making this video was that the SSD that came with the laptop is actually an M.2, which probably means there's an available 2.5-inch SSD slot on this laptop. If there is, I'll put in an SSD and make another video in the future. Another thing that surprised me is that the Samsung SSD that came with it has a lot of features. I mean, the fact that it actually has the Samsung SSD. I was thinking maybe a generic SSD on this Lenovo, but boy was I wrong. So it's got features like S.M.A.R.T, NCQ, trim, Devsleep. I've had this for about 215 power on hours so far. And looking at the performance results, it is consistent. Samsung, as usual, high quality, consistent results, reliability, and I've used about 31% of the hard drive, so not so much. So it's pretty awesome. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. Take it easy.